Shad.
What happened?
Hey, Shad, I can't call the word. I can't call the word today, Shad. You see what's going on out though?
I mean, what happened?
Shad, you see what's
Everybody else got to work.
Shad, with the world, you see what's going on out though?
Going on out where?
In the streets, the world.
The what?
I can't get out. I can't get out the house. Shad, my door blocked in.
Your door blocked in how?
Without the weather, Shad, without the ice and snow and all that.
Okay, Black Tony, but we sent you an email last night. Let you know that go check in a hotel close to the station. Everybody else can't work.
I can't do that, Shad. My whole street. You know I'm in Atlanta, Shad. My whole street snowed in, Shad.
It ain't snowing in nothing, is it?
I'm saying it's just on my street, Shad. For some reason, it's crazy. It's crazy, Shad. I ain't never seen nothing like this.
So it ain't snowing in Atlanta. It only snowed on your street.
Yeah, I ain't never seen nothing like this, Shad. We probably gonna be on CNN tonight, Shad. It ain't never happened like this. They said it ain't never.
Where you live,
like
Black Tony? Where you live?
On the east side, over there on Decatur.
Decatur where?
On the east side over there. I ain't finna tell them about where I stay at, Shad. I don't remember my grandma's house, but our whole street snowed in, Shad. But they say on the other streets it's not snowed in, but for some reason, Shad, it just snowed right here last night, Shad. It's ice and snow. Wind blowing everything, Shad. It's crazy. It don't make no sense.
So the wind blowing, so you got a whole snowstorm going on your street.
Yeah, Shad. I don't know.
Not the next street. They didn't get no snow flurries or nothing.
No, Shad. They said it all happened on this street. They said global warming.
Yeah, global warming.
Yeah, it's on this street right here. They said we caught up in we in the right. They said we right in the right spot for it to happen. They say it happened once every.
Rock T, is this possible?
You know what, man? If Black Tony say it's possible, I'm going to have to believe him, dog.
I'm telling you, Rock, it's scary, Shad. I don't even know how we're going to get out to get something to eat. We might starve to death.
Sometimes clouds just hover over one little area, bro.
No, bro, that ain't on one street, though.
My nerves bad right now, Shad, because it's piled up by the front door. You can't even open the door, Shad. My grandma needs her medicine.
Please, somebody over here. Go on, let him ride, bro.
All right, man. Go on, take the day off, Black Tony, but you promise you coming tomorrow.
Yeah, as soon as they send a snow truck over here to clear the snow out.
All right, Black Tony, we're going to let you make it, man. But tomorrow, bro, you got to be here, man, for real.
I'll be there. Just pray for me and my grandma and my.
All right, man. Because I do believe in global warming and all that stuff. All right, Black Tony. All right, man, we good. All right.